Sir, can you tell me about BPT in Canada? What's the admission procedure? Then what is the requirements, admission fee, and all?
So that's a very like important question, basic question. Uh, there is no BPT in Canada, right? So like if even a Canadian born person has to pursue PT, they have to do a bachelor's in science with their major concentrated mostly on kinesiology and stuff. And then to be a physiotherapist, they have to get admitted to masters in physiotherapy, which in my view is the first basic step of getting into the physiotherapy field. इंडिया में हम हाई हाई स्कूल के बाद ही लाइक ट्वेल्थ के बाद ही बैचलर्स कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं बट वहाँ पे ऐसा सिस्टम नहीं है एंड एमपीटी जो उनका बेसिक कोर्स है कनाडा में जस्ट लाइक 2 years and course they study all their first year and second year subjects what we do here during our bachelor's in physiotherapy they do it in their bachelor's for 4 years masters में उनको थोड़ा और rehab कैसे करते हैं एंड पोस्ट सर्जिकल थोड़ा बहुत मोबिलाइजेशन वगैरह उनको काफी सर्टिफिकेशन वगैरह मास्टर्स करते हुए ही मिल जाती है इन लोगों को सो गेटिंग एडमिशन इनटू दैट मास्टर्स is little tricky like it's a little difficult for a person who has done bachelor's in physiotherapy in India जब मैं आया था यहाँ पे I came around like 2016 so I never even had an idea कि मास्टर्स में हम एडमिशन ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे बट कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज है अभी मेरे को सुनने में आया है कि Quebec and I don't know the name of the universities, but they do offer a master's in physiotherapy for international students. But then even their seats are restricted, and they mostly like the basic eligibility requirement is to like you should be a permanent resident. But as I said, few of the universities they do take international students too. But then फिर वही question है कि it's a basic physiotherapy degree in Canada, MPT, and we have already did our basics back home in form of BPT, right? So Canada में admission लेने के लिए there are two pathways, like and there is an immigration pathway for sure because Canada इतने immigrants ले ही रही है. Not during the COVID time because COVID time is they are preferring more of the people who are already here as students. They are like they're more interested in giving PRs to them. But then before, when everything was normal, like in COVID, they were taking a lot of health professionals. So coming back to the same point, so what Indian students can do, they can either pursue a college course or they can either pursue a university course, right? So universities Canada में काफी public हैं, like they are funded by the government and उनके prices थोड़े से कम रहते हैं compared to colleges में. Colleges में हमें degrees नहीं मिलती, हमें वहाँ पे post graduate diplomas मिलते हैं या undergraduate diplomas मिलते हैं. So they can pursue like some fitness course, some PT assistant courses. Though I will remind you that PT assistant is not a registered job, so you don't have to be technically holding a license to do PTA in Canada. What you have to do, but you have to be a licensed PTA if you have to pursue work in US. So, but it's a non-registered job in Canada. But they can still do, and then they can pursue masters. I did my masters from University of Manitoba. So masters you can do like it's masters in rehab or masters in kinesiology, which universities do offer, and they are totally research based. Like you have to do a thesis. So it depends on what professor you are doing it under. उसकी जो speciality रहेगी, उसकी जो education sector रहेगा, उसके basis पे you have to pursue and do a thesis. That's a thesis based course basically. Not much of the coursework, but concentrate more on the in-depth knowledge of research projects and how to pursue them. दो इन सब courses में आने का यही logic है कि आप directly if you have a bachelor's of physiotherapy in India and you want to challenge the national exam as a physio, it's very easy. Like so, it's Canadian Alliance is an association which does all that credentialing for you. And this like IELTS दिया हुआ होना चाहिए academic. You should have at least a 7 band in IELTS. And हमारी बैचलर्स काफी हद तक मैच कर जाती है उसमें पूरी अलायंस के पास पूरी लिस्ट है कॉलेजेस की अब वो अपडेट करते रहते हैं कि किस किस कॉलेज का वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं तो एक एथिक्स का कोर्स बेसिकली हमें करना होता है, एंड देन वी आर एलिजिबल टू चैलेंज दैट नेशनल एग्जाम. सो बेसिकली एजुकेशन करके या मास्टर्स करके या कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन लेके, what you do is you buy yourself some time. You buy, like, if you do a 2-year course, you get 3 years of work permit. So in that amount of time, you can get it clear, get the written going, and be a physio here, right? एंड आजकल तो वो वाला एग्जाम ऑनलाइन नहीं है, तो काफी जो परमानेंट रेजिडेंट्स हैं वो इंडिया से ही वो एग्जाम दे देते हैं, तो दे लैंड एज अ फिजियो हियर. सो lots of things of how to get into that. रही बात फी स्ट्रक्चर की, सो लाइक मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, लाइक कनाडा जो हम लोग समझते हैं, दे इट्स मोस्टली लाइक, लोगों को लगता है कनाडा इज जस्ट वैंकूवर या टोरंटो या कैलगरी या क्यूबेक, मॉन्ट्रियल. But it's a big country. It's the third largest country in the world, right? So if you go into these popular cities, but of course you have to pay for the culture. You have to, the expenses would be a little bit higher than, going into cities which I come from. I came to Winnipeg. It is a small city, but it's a growing city, and cost of living कम रहता है, education भी कम रहती है. तो जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि यूनिवर्सिटीज पब्लिक है, तो दे आर फंडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. यू हैव मोर चांसेस टू गेट द स्कॉलरशिप्स, एंड you more chances to be on a reasonable side when it compares to getting an admission in college. So I would say कि colleges में admission लेना थोड़ा easy है compared to masters university से करने में.